Hi there, so glad you can join me today for strengthen and lengthen, also mobility and stability in this beautiful setting. Isn't this amazing? All right, we're gonna be doing some yoga poses, holding for about 3 to 5 breaths each pose, and let's go. All right, let's begin. Breathe in, interlace the fingers, stretch up and twist. Open the arms back to center. Breathe in, arms come up, stretch, twist, back to center one more time. Bring the hands up, interlace the fingers and twist. Open the hands back to center and bring the hands up, interlace the fingers. Good. Now just get a nice side body bend. Other side. And then let's get a forward fold. Bend one knee and then the other. Alternate. Now come down on your mat on all fours and let's get some cat and cow stretches. So bring the wrists up, tucking the chin, and looking forward. And a couple more. Last one. All right, from here you're just gonna thread the needle and come down on one shoulder. Get a little twist. Other side. And then let's find yourself in a plank position. Wrists right under your shoulders. Body's like a board, nice and tight. Lift the hips up for down dog. Heels come down. Try to bring your chest towards your thighs. And hold. Come back to plank. And hips up, down dog. Back to plank. And hips up, down dog. Raise up your left leg. And then bring it towards the outside of the left hand. Open the arm and twist. Back leg is straight, looking towards the ceiling or sky. And hand comes down. That leg goes back. Your right leg now. Lift up, down dog. Towards the right hand. Lift it up and twist. That leg. Hand down. Foot goes back. From here, you're going to lift your hips up and down dog. Your left leg is going to extend straight up. Lift it up. Hold. And then we're going to bring that forward. Your knee comes to your nose. And then you're going to put your foot in your hip. And you're going to come up in a high lunge. Hold the high lunge. Slow. All right, let's go. You're starting in a plank. Bring the hips up, down dog. Lift up your right leg, then hold. You're going to bring that knee towards your nose, but put your foot on the ground. Slowly come up in a high lunge. From here, sink a little bit lower and hold. Stretch those arms up. Left heel and put it down. You're still facing the same direction. Warrior one. Hold. Breathing. fingertips. Really stretch both directions. Breathing in and out. And in and out. Amazing. In and out. Now flip your front hand. Palm is up. Back hand goes down along your leg. Lift that front hand up. Reverse your warrior. And hold. Breathing in and out. And in and out. In and out. In and out. From here, pop that back foot in just a few inches. Straighten the front leg. Slide the front hand down towards the ankle. And you're going to look up at the ceiling or the sky where your hand is pointing and hold. Make sure that you're opening with the fingers, breathing in and out. And in and out. Everything. Pull yourself up. Bring your heels to the center. Toes are out. And you're going to go into a goddess pose. Both toes the hands. And hold. Sink. Go. Good. Nice. Isometric hold. Now we're going to tip side to side. Little crunches. Going side. To side, side to side. Two more. Last one. All right, from here, you're going to go back to the front in a high lunge. Balance. As your arms come back, you push your weight forward on that right foot and lift up the back foot. Hold it here. Let's move to a warrior pose. Arms go straight out. There's a slight bend in the hand. Hold. And hold. And hold. walk it out to a plank position. Hold your plank nice and tight. Heels go back, lift your hips up and down dog. From here, lift your left leg up and hold three-legged dog. And then you're going to slowly bring that knee toward your nose and then raise your butt between your hands. Come up in high lunge and sink down low and hold. Breathing in and out. And in and out. And out. One more. Now take your right heel down and keep your torso towards the front. Arms are straight up, biceps by your ears, and hold warrior one. Breathing in and out. And in and out. Keep going. Amazing job. Keep it up. Out. Slowly bring your arms apart. Stretch those fingertips. Really, really long. Warrior two. Breathing in and out. And in and out. In and out. One more. Now flip that front hand, palm up. Back hand goes down your leg as you reach up and stretch back, lifting the ribs. And hold. Reverse warrior. Breathing in and out. In and out. In, out. And out. From there, bring your back foot in a few inches, straighten that front leg. Looking at the sky or the ceiling as you slide down, lift the front hand towards the ground. Maybe you come to your shin, your ankle, or the ground. Open the shoulder. And look up and breathe. Nice hand-eye stretch. In. And out. And in. Tighten the core, pull up, and then we're going to bring our heels in and toes out at 45. Sink down in goddess pose. Knees are tracking over the second toe, arms are in full pose, and sink low and hold. Still breathing in and out and in and out. Enjoy the stretch. In and out. In and out. From here, we're going to do those crunches again. Side to side. Side to side. Keep this going. Couple more. Last one. All right, going back to our high lunge. Reach up and then slowly bring those arms back as you push your weight forward on that front foot. Back foot starts to lift. And then here, we're going to go to warrior three, bringing those arms overhead. So, pull both strong upper body and balance for 3 toes. In, out, in, and out, in, out, out, last one, and out. From here, we're going to distance back, the lunge, back, cat and cow again. Up and down. Great job. Up and down. And then wag the dog side to side. Thread the needle one more time. Go down and twist. Other side, down and twist. Good. Flip over on your back. Slowly, gently pull down. And bring one leg up. Straight. Gently pull behind for the hamstring stretch. And the legs behind. Carefully pull that knee across. Open. The other direction. Shoulders. Now look forward. Twist and bring that knee back to center. That knee forward. Leg goes straight. Other leg comes up. And gently pull behind. Bring that knee behind you. And same thing. Go to the outside of the side. Slowly twist that leg down as you reach your other arm back out to the side. And then rock forward and back. And then come up to a seated position. Arms come up, breathe in. And then exhale as you come over to one side. And breathe in. And exhale as you go to the other side. Forward fold. And then let's take a straddle. And from here, I want you to reach forward. And then bring your chest to one side. Reach over one leg. Take your outside arm, bring it in, and side body stretch again. Good. Back to forward fold. And slide over, chest over the thigh. And reach. Outside arm goes under and reach above. And push against your inner thighs and open more. Body stretch. Bring your feet together. Wiggle it out. One final breath in. Exhale, you come over. Back up. Amazing job. Thanks so much for joining me. You
You are amazing. I hope you really enjoyed that. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.